everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly, and this is Yoga with Kelly. I want to thank you for tuning in, but also for carving out this time for yourself to tune into your breath and tune into your body on your yoga journey. I have been practicing and studying yoga for about 20 years. I've been teaching for the last 10. So on this channel, I hope you will find some tips and tricks that will help you along your way. One of the things that we will be doing is coming to our edge. And that doesn't mean doing anything that's going to be painful, right? Pain is the language of the body, and it's our body's way of saying, please stop doing this. But coming to our edge is about leaning into or brushing up against anything that makes us uncomfortable. So we can get comfortable on the mat, and we can take those lessons off the mat. One example of brushing up against being uncomfortable for me is what I'm doing right now. I'm experiencing great discomfort in doing this YouTube video. So I have very little experience on social media. I like to post pictures of handstands for my friends, whether I'm at the top of a mountain or down at the beach. My motto is hands down, feet up for as long as my body and breath will allow me to do so. So I'm so grateful you're here. We're going to have a lot of fun. This is a judgment-free zone. So be who you are, show up for yourself, and unroll your mat, and let's begin. So I look forward to practicing and sharing my yoga with you, and I will see you next time.